I need to see Golden.
The Idol Awards are tomorrow.
Thank goodness I didn't hold my breath for this 100th live performance because I'm dead right now.
Time to put you in your place, cause you're rotting with it. When your parasites are show, it makes the hatred want to grow out of my...
What's going on? Why are we stopping?
It's just these lyrics are throwing me off. I don't think they're right just yet.
Seriously? Now?
No, it's fine. It's the second verse, right? How about when the patterns start to show, the whole world will finally know that you're depraved. My sword will happily show you to your grave. You will be pummeled until there are no remains. No, Zoey, it's the whole song. Oh, okay, great. Well then, I might as well just tear these off.
Rumi, we don't have time to change the lyrics even if we wanted to. The Idol Awards are tomorrow.
Well, I don't think I can sing this song.
Hey girls, just wanted to bring some last minute pick-me-ups. I know things have been really stressful lately, and you've been working so hard on the idol routine. For what it's worth, I am proud of you, and I just want you to know I'm here for literally anything you need.
Join the pride. We need you.
Seriously, what is your problem?
I told you, the song,
I'm not talking about the song, I'm talking about you! Why are you questioning everything we stand for when we're so close to sealing the Honmu? What are you not telling us, Rumi? What are you hiding from us?
Not everything is about your insecurities, Mira! Mira, I didn't mean... Would you two stop fighting each other and look? The tear.
It's huge. If you're with us, prove it.
It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, you'll break down like that. It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, and it ain't gonna stop. 정신을 놓고 던져밟고 하는 세경아. You'll be begging and crying on you dying, never miss my shot. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. A demon with no feelings don't deserve to live. It's so obvious. I'm okay. You can try, but you can't hide. It's a takedown, I'ma take you out, and it ain't gonna stop.
The passengers.
Join the pride. Join the pride.
Whatever you think about the song, it doesn't matter right now. Everything is at stake, and we just need to get through this together.
You know I'm always on your side, but it's really hard to understand this time. We can't win this without your voice, Rumi. Trust me, I'm gonna make sure we win.